Now well done o. Today I go wan show una how we go fit comot duplicated rows from our data. Now you get data but you no, maybe you don do mistake. Now you don go enter some value two times. Now if you enter this value, how you wan take know say you don enter this value two times? Because if you enter am two times, if you come dey do your calculation, you go calculate am with the thing wey you no suppose calculate am with. So now the best thing wey you go suppose do be say make you comot am. Make I show you how you go comot am in a very quick manner. Oya make we dey go. Oya now, so the first thing wey you go do be say you go first highlight the whole data set, which be say you go highlight from A1 to E13. So you go use control A to take highlight everything. If you don highlight everything, you go come use conditional formatting to highlight the place. Now you don use conditional format, you go come to highlight cell rows. You go come talk say make you highlight the duplicated values for you. You get am like that. You go come click am. If you don click am, you go tell am say okay na duplicate. You see wetin happen. If you want make you just only highlight the one wey be say no be duplicate, wey be say na unique, e go do am. But na duplicate we dey find. We come tell am say make you put the box, this box wey you dey see, make you put am inside red. Then the character wey dey inside the box, make you put am for dark red. E mean say if you see am two times, make you put am inside, make you give am this color wey we talk so. Now wetin we wan look, say we wan look the row wey be say everything wey dey the row e go red. Na wetin we dey find. Oya make we go. Oya you don see am so. Now you see say this second row, right, and you see this seventh row too, make I highlight am. This one and this one, you go see say two of them dey get everything in common, and you go see say the whole row dey red. Now look at, see this other one too, you go see am sigmod and sigmod. Now we don identify the duplicated row. Wetin we go come do, wey be say we go come take comot this thing, so that you no go allow our analysis make e get problem for future. So wetin we go do, the other thing wey we go do be say you go still highlight everything. You go use control A when you dey inside the range. If you don do that one, you go come under data, under the data tab. If you don come here, you go come under data tools, come click remove duplicate. Now you go come carry this prompt come here. If you don carry this one, you go come click select all. This select all mean say any row wey get the same value with all this column, if any row get exact value with all this column, make you get am as duplicate. Oya we come do okay. You see am, e say two duplicated values found and removed. That one wey we see that time, e don comot am. Okay,